watoto, dunia, dunia, tumekio chetu, dunia, dunia, tumekukosea nini?
Wĩtĩkie kana ũrege, ciana ici imwe ciacio ciĩtagwo kuma itũra rĩrĩ nĩgetha ciũke cioneke citirĩ na gĩa kũrĩa na citirĩ na nginya mbia cia gũtwarwo cukuru, na ũũ nĩguo mahũthĩkaga nĩ ene children's home ĩno gwetha mbia, na ciana ingĩ cikarutwo kuma kũndũ kũraihu ta Gĩthii na Laikipia cikarehwo kũndũ gũkũ. Mũthuri ũyũ mwene gũkũ aroririo ciũria cia ũrĩa ciana ici ciũkaga gũkũ, akauga imwe ciacio arogotaga kũrĩa Gĩthũrai roundabout.
We wĩna kĩroto gĩa kwĩgwatĩra nyũmba cia gũkomborithia, ndũgatangĩke rĩngĩ. Nĩ tũrakwenderia ngoroba ya floor 5 harĩa barabara nene ya Thika Super Highway thutha wa Kenyatta University KU. Ngoroba ĩno ĩna mũigana wa unit 43 na ĩikarĩire mũgũnda wa fiti ya 70 by 30. Na ndeto njega nĩ atĩ o mweri nyũmba ĩno ĩingagĩria makĩria ma ciringi 350,000. Nyũmba ĩno tũramĩendia ciringi mirioni 37 tu. Nĩguo kwĩgwatĩra nyũmba ĩno na ũhoro makĩria, tũhũrĩre thimũ namba 0728 316 057 kana 0797 751 913. Wĩhĩke marigiti tene mboga itanahoha.
Ngatho cia mwanya mwĩroreri wa Castro Media, ngomenyithie thutha wa Castro Media Kumurika children's home ĩno ĩrĩa ĩ mwena wa Zimmerman ĩrĩa ĩtagwo Nest for Orphans Children's Home. Rĩu borithi na thirikari nĩ ĩingĩrĩire ũhoro ũyũ na gũteithũra ciana ici kuma children's home ĩno. Gũkũ ũthuthuria ũgĩthiĩ na mbere nĩgetha mamenye ciana ici ciumĩte kũ na nĩ ciaũ. Ndeto ici cireyumĩririe thutha wa mũndũrũme ũmwe gũthiĩ kũrĩa online akĩenda gũteithĩrĩrio gũthomithia ciana iria cirahĩtũkire KCPE gũcitwara secondary. Arĩa mateithanagia maratũmana nĩgetha ciana ici cimenyeke kũrĩa ciumĩte, na thutha wao gũcera gũkũ children's home ĩno magagĩkora atĩ maũndũ ti ũguo mareciragia, kuona kwĩna ciana nyingĩ mũno na children's home ĩno ndĩũĩkaine nĩ thirikari. Na haha nĩho tũrambĩrĩirie ũthuthuria witũ nĩgetha tũmenye children's home ĩno ĩtabanagio atĩa gũkũ mwena wa Zimmerman. Twaingĩra thĩiniĩ tũrakorire ciana ici cikĩina.
Watoto wa nyumba zote njooni tuungane, tuwalilie wazazi chozi la damu, tupase sauti zetu za machozi na kwikwi, kwa wachache wenye huruma watatusikia. Akina malezi bora tumenyang'anywa, ulizima maadili tumefutiwa. Dunia, dunia, tumependi watoto. Dunia, dunia, tumekio chetu. Dunia, dunia, tumekukosea nini?
Wĩtĩkie kana ũrege, ciana ici imwe ciacio ciĩtagwo kuma itũra rĩrĩ nĩgetha ciũke cioneke citirĩ na gĩa kũrĩa na citirĩ na nginya mbia cia gũtwarwo cukuru, na ũũ nĩguo mahũthĩkaga nĩ ene children's home ĩno gwetha mbia, na ciana ingĩ cikarutwo kuma kũndũ kũraihu ta Gĩthii na Laikipia cikarehwo kũndũ gũkũ. Mũthuri ũyũ mwene gũkũ aroririo ciũria cia ũrĩa ciana ici ciũkaga gũkũ, akauga imwe ciacio arogotaga kũrĩa Gĩthũrai roundabout. Tũgakĩrigwo atĩrĩrĩ, kaĩ ciana cirogotagwo atĩa, kuona nginya gũtirĩ na riboti ya borithi ĩrĩa yandĩkithĩtio ya kuonania ciana ici cirakorirwo handũ cikoywo na kũrehwo kũndũ gũkũ, ona gũtarĩ na ũmenyo wa thirikari kana andũ arĩa marũgamĩrĩire honge cia ciana.
Wachache wenye huruma watatusikia. Akina malezi bora tumenyang'anywa, urithi na maadili tumefutiwa. Dunia, dunia, tumependi watoto. Dunia, dunia, sikia kilio chetu. Dunia, dunia.
Na thutha wa kwaraniria na murugamiriri wa guku na thimu ni araetikirire na arauga ndari andikithia children's home eno kuri thirikari, na haha niho tukenda kumenya atiriri ciana ici ciothe ciriaga ki na cirehago guku no, na tugagithi na mbere na uthuthuria witu. Na thutha wa kumurika children's home eno, riu department ya ciana ya kuria Dagoretti manyitanire na borithi ya Kasarani riu ni mokire na moya ciana ici na gucitwara handu mangikorwo me safe. Riri uthuthuria urathi na mbere wa kumenya ciana ici ni ciao na ciumite ku. Mwiroreri wa Castro Media gugutiga na audio eno ya murugamiriri wa guku children's home eno akiaria na ku admit ati matire ma register children's home eno kuri thirikari. Thie na mbere na kwirorera video cito na utuke wa subscribe na uhihinye notification bell nigetha tuki-upload video ugakorwo wi wa mbere na kwirorera. Nie ngetwo Timo Castro.
Unajua nani? Unajua venye tulikuja asubuhi tulikuuliza aje? Unaoperate hii children's home kama rescue center, ni daycare, unaoperate kama nini? Na ukatuambia vizuri sana that you even have legit documents. Umeregister hii kitu na copy iko na Madam Lois. Sasa hii umesema hauna documents, haujaregister, but Madam Lois knows that you operate. Unaona, kuongea ukweli saa zingine inasaidia. Ungesema wewe ni watoto unakusanyika, unaletanga hapa, you pick children from wherever, others are dropped by parents, it is a children's home operating without documents. Hivyo tu ndio ungejua hii maneno yote haingeenda, but you try to tell us that you have all the legal documents required for a registration of a children's home. Ukatuambia hata there is a copy with Madam Lois.
Okay, for everything, for everything that nilikuwa naongea, it was true, but for the documents, for the documents hizo hasina. But for any case, if nimekosea any one of you,
haujatukosea baba. Unajua venye asubuhi,
I'm so sorry.
Watoto ndio hujatukosea. Sisi watu umekosea ni watoto, na watoto wenye umekosea ni hao watoto wenye wanafaa kuwa shule.
This call is now being recorded.
Kuna watoto wenye wanafaa kuwa CCM. Na hao watoto hawako shule. Watoto wakitoka Laikipia, wengine wako grade 6, wengine wako grade 7. Watoto walikuwa na vitabu, wako na viatu, wako na bags, wako na uniform, lakini hawajaenda shule mpaka saa hizi. Na umesema ni children's home, unasaidia watoto who are vulnerable na orphans. But these people have parents. Wazazi wanaenda mjengo. Watu wa mjengo wanalipwa 1,000 kwa siku. They are very able. So at what point did you expect to take them to school?
Jerry.
Yes.
Umeulizia hapo katoto kanaitwa Angel Blessing.
Yes.
Umeambiwa report yake iko aje?
Nimeambiwa huyo okay, let me just tell you this. We have genuine cases here who are total orphans. Na ni watoto wadogo sana, watoto wenye hawaendi shule. But my question is, venye asubuhi tulikuja vizuri, tulikuuliza hii biashara, hii children's home unaoperate, do you have the legal documents? Ukatuambia yes, you have the documents, and the copies are with, no, the copies, the documents got burnt, but the copies are with Madam Lois, who is the children's officer. That was your word. Na tulitaka vizuri sana kujua, because before we came here, there is a concern that had been raised by the people who you sought help from. Watu wa TikTok, uliwaomba msamaha, uliwaomba msaada, na hao watu ndio walitutuma hapa kukuja asubuhi. Na unajua vizuri sana, the investigations have not started now. There is a group of people that visited your facility last evening. Na wakakuja, wakafanya uchunguzi yao. It was not enough, and that is how I got involved. Na nikakuja hapa kutoka saa 4. It is a very sad situation that you have to bring children all the way from Laikipia. Watoto wenye wako na haki kama mtoto mwingine yoyote Mkenya, anafaa kuwa naenda shule. Mtoto walikuwa na wazazi, ako na uniform, ako na vitabu, ako na bag, ako na viatu za shule. Mtoto wako grade 6 anaenda CCM in Nanyuki, unamleta hapa mkiwadanganya that they are coming for tuition na wanapelekwa boarding ya shule kubwa, na atarudishwa nyumbani, wazazi watamkujia Christmas. Hao watoto they are in distress. Wanauliza wazazi wao watawakujia lini. They have even made a statement to us. Wao wana appeal tu wazazi wao wawakujia. Yes.
Okay, that was the story from the beginning. Tangu wao watoto wakuje.
Yes.
That's what they have been telling me. At their auntie ama their mom amewaleta hapo akiwaambia ati wanakuja kusaidiwa na wazungu.
Yes. Okay, the question here is, before they came to your facility and before you admitted them to your facility, did you do background check to find out where these children came from and whether they have parents? And for whatever reason, why was it that the parents were coming to dump them there? Mimi mwenyewe hauwezi tu toka hapa na hawakuenda hiyo ingine unaita Sinton, sijui Sindon, wakakuja tu kwa nest. It is because they have connections with you. It is not just anybody who comes to visit a facility and you allow them to leave their children and you admit them. For 2 months, you have told me you have been looking for a school. Those children have right to education. It is a basic need under the Constitution. You still do not have plans to take these children to school. They don't have shoes. They don't have uniform. They don't have books. They don't have any other thing that is required for them to join schools tomorrow. Sasa hawa watoto ni uko na plans gani nao waende shule, na wataenda shule gani na wataenda shule lini?
Okay, the question I have ni kuwapeleka shule.
Utawapeleka lini? Umekuwa nao miezi 2 kutoka November 20.
Yeah. Ngoja nimalizane na officer.
Sawa. Hana hata barua. Hakuna. Hana hata si tumeongea naye sana. Hana nilikuwa nataka kurudia vitu zenye amesema. Amesema yeye amekuwa tu ana